India with Designer Accessory Adoption. Thanks for watching this video. Welcome back. This will be a really quick video and it's a different setup if you have watched any of my other ones, but it is simply just to quickly get on here and talk about this box and this pair of shoes that I have received. All right, so what you see in front of you is a box of booties that I ordered from Nordstrom. I do plan to continue to shop from Nordstrom. It is one of my favorite stores. However, I do want to bring up this video and show the condition that it arrived, just as a reminder to people anyone who works in the retail industry, anyone who, at a broader picture from this, any person who works in some sort of customer service capacity where you are in contact with another person on the other end, paying for services or paying for whatever it is that you do for your day-to-day work. Just be mindful of the other person and what they're receiving on their side. For example, let me show you what's going on with this box. So I'm just going to pan around and turn the box around to the side here. Do you see this? This box arrived today. Took it out, and this is how it came. This is not a damaged in transit box. This is a well-worn box that has been damaged for a while, and whoever packaged it up thought that this was appropriate to send to a customer. Let me just turn it around so you can see all sides, all the damage. And so I know some people are probably thinking, well, most people don't store their shoes in a box. And I thought the same thing. I thought, I don't really use my shoe boxes, so maybe it's not really a big deal. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. How I was presented this item was very disappointing, and I should be given that choice as the customer to whether I'm going to keep my box or I'm going to get rid of it. So it needs to be in pristine condition. Just thinking about it from the other side, if you were a customer, would you want to receive your box like this? I know that these warehouses go through quality control and they're checking these items to confirm whether the item that they have is the one that they should actually be shipping out, as well as the color and size. So somebody had to look at this and confirm and see this box in this condition and decide it was okay to still send it to me in this condition. So look at that. So I just want to say, like I said, as I repeat, just to be clear, I'm not bashing Nordstrom. They are one of my favorite companies to shop with. I do plan to continue. Sorry, I don't know why I can't get that out. But I do plan to continue to shop with them. However, I just want to have this as a reminder in case you're having a bad day at work and you feel you want to be rude to that customer. Think about how that customer will feel on their side. There's all this white stuff on the suede bootie. That should not be there. Why is that there? So either these were a floor stock, I feel like, and somebody was trying them on a lot because the soles aren't worn. But this is in no way any condition. Even if someone bought this in pristine condition and they returned it like this, it should have never made it back to the warehouse or wherever it came from to be something that is appropriate and in sellable condition. There's all this white stuff here. There's also, it looks like there's rubbing, some light rubbing on the side. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It is dark outside, so sorry. I have to ship these back out, so I wanted to film this while I have them. But, I mean, just the condition of the box alone, and then also looking at the shoe, this is not presentation worthy. And just think about how you are impacting and damaging the company's brand, whether that's your company or whether that's a company you work for. Just think about how you're damaging them when you do something like this, which then roundabout impacts your job pretty much. If you continue to do this, a bunch of people continue to do this, and then that company ends up losing money. I will say that it is something that if I was a new customer, I would probably think about whether or not I would want to shop at Nordstrom again. But like I said, and I will mention it for a third time so it is clear, I do plan to shop at Nordstrom. This is the first time I've actually received something in this condition from them before. So people make mistakes, and I understand that. And that is the reason I'm filming this. So you just are mindful of, you had a bad day, or you just really didn't care. You boxed this and sent this to someone. I'm on the other end receiving it. And so can you. So actually, I was taking another look at the sticker as I was preparing it to ship back tomorrow. And it came from, I apologize for mispronouncing this, but it looks like the Los Cerritos Mall in California. So the Nordstrom that's located out there is the one that packaged this up and sent this to me in this condition, the end point. And I thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you're enjoying this video. I will talk to you again next Wednesday.